For this question A, given function fx, function of exponential, and function gx, also exponential function, evaluate fx squared minus gx squared. So it will be doing the function square minus the gx squared. So we substitute function fx 2e 3 over 2x over e 3x minus 1 square, then minus, substitute our function of gx square. So from here, we want to see how can you expand this. So to square the function, it will be numerator square, denominator square. So a over b square, when you want to expand, it will be a square over b square. So you can notice that denominator e 3x minus 1 square. So for up here, a coefficient time with an exponential square, it will be a square b square. So it will become 4. Then e 3 over 2x square, so it will times 2, it will become 3x. Meanwhile, for gx, when it's square, so for numerator, we remain it same. So you can see later we can get same to the denominator. We don't need to expand. So for up here, we're going to expand this. So a plus b square. So a plus b square, it will be a square, and then 2ab, then plus b square. So simplify here, e 3x square will become 6x. 2 times a times b become 2e 3x. Then 1 square will become 1. So we expand this so that we can simplify with fx. So lastly, we have to simplify to the simplest form. We get same to the denominator, e 3x minus 1 square. So here we have 4e 3x minus e 6x minus 2e 3x minus 1. Then you can notice here we're having the same term, e 3x do the operation of minus. You will remaining 2e 3x minus 1. Alright, so we're going to simplify this. So negative we take out. So once you take out negative, it will be e negative 6x minus 2e 3x plus 1. Then we do our factorization. So factorize this back, it will be e 3x minus 1 square. So if you hardly to see this one, we can just let it to be an unknown m, let's say. So the alternative will be e m square. So we let m to be e 3x. Alright, so this is m square minus 2m plus 1 over m minus 1 square. So when you're doing factorization, it will be easier. So this one you can put in your calculator. So it will be m 1, so negative, m minus 1 square. So you can notice here, we can simplify. So we can simplify. Lastly, our answer, we can get negative 1. So this will be our part A. So what is the important step for here to get 4 marks? Firstly, we have to understand how we're doing this fx squared. So how to expand this. So expand our function, numerator, denominator. Then when you want to simplify 2 fractions, we need to get same to the denominator. So simplify until we get single fraction here. So this is 2 fraction. Simplify until single fraction. We get 1 marks of the concept. Then doing factorization on our exponential here, or you can represent it in m. So doing factorization and you manage to simplify the factor. So once you simplify the factor, you can get answer. Then we move on to question B. Given gx is quadratic function and fx is quadratic function, so that fx is equals to 3x plus 8 if composite of f gx equals to hx. So by giving the equation here, we need to show out our function fx is equals to 3x plus 8. So start from the equation given, composite, where f gx is equals to hx. So we try to find out our fx is in this answer. So we composite means we substitute our gx, where our gx is x minus 2 square minus 6 equals to hx also given 3x squared minus 12x plus 2. So which means that we need to add in terms of one term, you can simplify until get 3x plus 8. So you can see f in terms of so many terms here. So to solve this, we let m equals the function inside the bracket, which is x minus 2 square minus 6. So we all change in terms of m so that we can get the function of fx. So for x squared minus 2 square minus 6, we represent it as m. So here we need to substitute in terms of m. We find out what is your x. So from this, we move m minus 6 equals to x minus 2 square. So x minus 2 square will be square root of m minus 6. X will be square root of m minus 6 plus 2. So this function in terms of m. Then 3x squared minus 12x plus 2. So now we manage to change f in terms of so many terms. Now we can get f in terms of one term, which is m. So later on we only change to x. So simplify here. To square this. So to square this, again, to square this, it will be a squared 2ab plus b squared. So a squared will give you m minus 6. 2ab, so it will become 2 times 2, 4, square root m minus 6. B squared, which is 4. Then we expand this, negative 12 minus, and we expand for 3. Simplify here, plus 2 become negative 22. And then you can notice that 12 square root minus 12 square root becomes 0. Then leaving 3n, we simplify our number, negative 18 plus 12 minus 22. So alright, so we have to do some correction here, writing mistake, m plus 6 actually here. M plus 6, m plus 6, m plus, plus, m plus. So here we have plus 18. Alright, so move your negative 6 will become plus. Then we can continue. We can get to show this 18 plus 22 minus 18 plus 12 minus 22. We can get positive 8. So that will need fm. So we change it back in terms of x. Fx equals to 3x plus 8. Then we see what is important here for these 4 marks. Firstly, we need to see the concept where you need to change this in terms of m, or you want to change it into another variable. So let the m change x into other variable. So this is the concept, so that you can change f something to fx. So expand in m here, simplify where you do your expansion and then minus to get to the answer of m first, then manage to show back to x. So this is your answer. Alright, so that's all.